Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. For the benefits of everyone, today I decided to do voice cover on this video. Today let's look at liver disease, the signs, causes, stages and prevention. By recent survey, liver disease accounts for about 2 million deaths annually, which accounts for 4% of all deaths globally. That means shows that 2/3 of all liver-related deaths occur in men. Liver disease affects people of all ages also. Please, my wonderful people, subscribe, comment respectfully, like and share. Most importantly, please allow adverts to play till end as you watch. Thanks for your attention. The actual function of the liver is caused by a yellowish-greenish fluid which is stored in gallbladder. It helps in digestion by breaking down fat into fatty acids. Four stages of liver damage. 1. Fatty liver is characterized by inflammation and enlargement of the liver. 2. Fibrosis, characterized by presence of scar tissue due to accumulated protein and collagen. 3. Cirrhosis, appearance of severe scar tissue which leads to permanent damage of the liver. 4. Cancer stage, which is a result of prolonged chronic cirrhosis in some cases. 8 common causes of liver disease. Number 1. Genetic reasons. Factors based on physical unit of hereditary process which are categorized into 3 major groups: the single gene, chromosomal, and multifactorial. Number 2. Excessive use of alcohol. 3. Excessive consumption of fatty foods. 4. Excessive consumption of fried foods. 5. Prolonged use of certain drugs that produce toxin. 6. Unchecked hyperthyroidism. 7. Viruses. Number 8. Uncontrolled obesity. Lesson 4. 17 signs of liver disease. Number 1. Pale or clear colored stool that flows in the bowel due to excessive fat. 2. Reduced night vision due to retinal deficiency of vitamin A, congested gallbladder, and irritating greedy eyes. 3. Swollen right foot due to abnormal blood flow in the enlarged liver as pressure mounts on the portal vein. 4. White or yellowish growth on the eyelids due to inability of the liver to break down cholesterol. Number 5. Pain or pressure at the right side of your rib cage, especially after meals, due to thickness of bile blocking the small tube that connects the gallbladder. 6. Presence of red or purple spots, rashes, and bruises due to liver inability to produce enough protein and blood circulation for proper blood clotting. Seven, severe heel cracks due to niacin, vitamin B3 deficiency. 8. Severe itching on the palms and soles of the feet due to the pileup of bile. 9. Colored urine, when normal urine turns into dark orange, amber, or brown due to inability of the liver to break down old blood cells that contains bilirubin, a yellowish pigment. 10. Yellow skin due to liver's failure to filter bilirubin from the blood, resulting to jaundice because of hepatitis or medication poisoning. (11) Loss of natural nail color, which is pink, to white color, and formation of clawed fingers due to lack of oxygen in the nail matrix. Number 12. Easy bleeding due to liver's inability to produce adequate clotting factors. 13. Chill due to rapid muscle contraction and relaxation. 14. Ascites, accumulation of fluids at the lower abdomen causing swelling, pains, nausea, vomiting due to high pressure in certain veins of the liver and low blood levels of protein known as albumin. 15. Loss of appetite, fatigue, and weakness. 16. Confusion, memory loss due to brain dysfunction, a condition known as encephalopathy. 17. Presence of visible multiple blood vessels due to damage caused by liver's inability to filter excessive estrogen in the blood. 2. Prevention and remedies. Number 1. Maintain routine medical examination. 2. Avoid exposure to toxins. 3. Adapt to good diet. Reduce consumption of sugary and starchy-based foods and drinks. Adapt to leafy greens, bitter edibles, and food rich in sulfur. Eating radishes, broccolis, cabbage, onions, scallions, salmon, oil fishes with natural squeezed lemon, moreover less sugary fruits, will be of good health. 4. Limit consumption of alcohol or avoid it completely. 5. Consume at least 1 liter of mineral water daily. 6. Control excessive use of painkillers. 7. Maintain a healthy weight with the right and adequate daily exercises recommended by your health fitness specialist. Dear viewers, please take care and control harmful habits. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like and comment. Allow adverts to play till the end. Thanks. I love you all, but God loves you most.